Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the OTP group tag. So what it does, it group the related option in a drop down list if you are creating a drop down list, and if you have a long list of option and you have only user one to choose to your handle of users, you can use this. So in this way you can categorize those. So for that, what we need to do is use a select. So type select. I'm not gonna use any class or name because I'm not using any CSS properties, right? So what I'm gonna do is first OTP group, just type that. Label is Swedish car, yeah, there are good cars Swedish, and then you can divide up those like using the options like you usually do, right, of the select. So this is only the between, and you need to put the value. So Volvo, so Volvo. Now you're gonna ask, Assad, why you need to put a value and write it again? So the reason is we need to specify to the machine or the engine, JavaScript engine, understand this, that yeah, we are sending something. So this is the reason behind it, so we need another option, and now you be Volvo, I mean Saab, and here I'm gonna type sab here. Now if we don't want to put any more Swedish cars, now you want to put something like Japanese cars. So OTP group, yeah, I'm a big fan of a Japanese cars, so Japanese cars. So everyone's favorite Toyota. So Toyota and Toyota, not Toyota, you idiot, Assad. Yeah, and then we need one more option, something like this time Mazda. Mazda and Mazda. Oh, and yeah, we need. I need to start the live server. I forgot. Sorry about that. So here you can see the drop down. If you want to, you can't select the Swedish car, but you can the subcategories of that light, and one at a time. You can also add more option to it, like something like options. This time Skoda. Skoda. This is the spelling, right? Skoda. I suck at spelling, So you can see one board. If you want one more category to do that, so OTP group. This time what I'm gonna do is German one. So German cause when somebody says German, what you remember, right? And then Mercedes, and we're gonna type Mercedes, and this time we're gonna type something like BMW. So I think BMW is German car, right? Yeah, it will be, right? So BMW there is Volkswagen, there are Porsche, right? So BMW, and you can also add something like Audi. I I'm really a fan of German cars though. Audi, Lamborghini. No, Lamborghini is Italian, right? So Audi. So you can do this by lighting this. So this is the way you can use the OTP group method. Hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.